Hello, educators and innovators. Today we're exploring 5 fantastic digital tools that can change the way you teach math and science. Whether you're looking for ways to engage students in complex topics or need resources that bring math and science into life, these tools have you covered. Let's dive in. Our first tool is PhET Interactive Simulation by University of Colorado Boulder. PhET offers free interactive simulation covering everything from physics to chemistry to biology. These simulations are designed to help students grasp abstract concepts through hands-on experimentation. To access it, you can visit phet.colorado.edu. This is the interface of PhET interactive simulation. So we'll go here in our simulation tab. As you can see, there's a lot of subjects that you can use in PhET interactive simulations. But for this example, we will just click all sims. It will show all the simulation available on each subject for lesson. Okay, for this example, I want to show you about physics, about motion. So you click motion, you will see all the interactive simulations. You can browse it and look for the simulation that is suited to you topic. For example, your topic is about forces in motion, so you can use this particular simulation. You just need to click and that you have option to play it or download it. So you can download the simulation. You can access the simulation even without an internet connection. And now play this so that you can now start. There are a lot of options here for subtopics that you can explore on this simulation. For example, about net force. Okay, there's a lot of options that you can see, just like you want to see sum of forces, values, and speed. And students can just drag everything and then observe what will happen to the simulation. That is the same for the remaining of our simulation. Next is the CQ12. It is a good platform for interactive lesson. This is very useful when you are teaching hybrid or you're teaching online. It's completely free and you can enjoy the ready-made lesson plans, that very interactive simulation. The best part is that it is for high school, middle school, and even primary, and most of the subject and topics are covered. You can visit the site on ck12.com. Before you start, you need to join your Google account and creating a new account as well. So this is the interface you can see, and there's a lot of options available for sciences. For example, physics, chemistry, biology, physical science. You have with so many options like algebra, geometry, and 6th grade maths. And you have social studies and similarly photography and adult education. As well, one of the good feature is this: you can create your own class and give the class code to the students. As students can join you and you can create a permanent link for them. Let's try one of the simulation randomly. Let me check one physics and check what are available. Let's say go for motion. In 2 dimension, let me check for the projectile motion. So this is the lesson. You can see there is important information available. There is a small video, a calculation sample, and the best part is the interactive. So students can use the simulation, for example, so you can thus the archer control the path of the arrow. So let's understand the physics behind the archer shoots the arrow with some initial speed and angle is moving independently in the horizon. So once you finish the concept, then this is your, you can see there's an option to understand the graph. So students can explore it more. They can check the vertical and horizontal graph with the help of the simulation. And finally, they can go for some question. You can see there's are more questions. They can try that more extended learning. They have further features for there is an already made worksheet, and also you can assign them to the students. For example, this, when I click one of the worksheet, you can see there's our worksheet related to the same simulation which I'm talking about. So it's like every source is already prepared, available in CQ12. GeoGebra is our third tool, a math powerhouse that combines algebra, geometry, calculus, and statistics into one platform. It's ideal for exploring graphs, transformation, and geometric constructions. This free tool allows students to interact with math in ways that are simply not possible with pen and paper. You can download at geogebra.org, and GeoGebra is available on Windows, Mac, Linux, or even if you're using tablets with iOS or Android operating system. So basically, GeoGebra is everywhere. Of course, GeoGebra is also available on mobile phones, but of course, the environment is slightly different on what you see on your screen. So this is the interface of GeoGebra. On your left is your input bar. So you type your equations here. Your calculation and all the things that they type here will appear in this window. For example, coordinates of points, area of polygons, lengths of segments, equations of functions. So you will see them here. This is called the algebra view. Now here, this large window, here is called the graphics view. So this is where you draw and construct your objects. This will contain the geometric and graphical representation of mathematical objects. Of the bottom of your screen is your calculator. Of course, I think everyone's familiar with that. And at the right, this small window here is called the perspective. These are the different perspective in GeoGebra. So if, for example, if you want to do 3D graphics, then you choose this perspective now. The other important part of GeoGebra are the tools. So what you see here is your toolbar, and it contains tools that you can use for drawing and construction. So if you click the button, you will see the drop down menu and appears. And it also contains a lot of tools, more tools if you want to save your file. You can use this menu here. So saving means you upload in the web, while download as means you save on your computer. So I will just give you a brief introduction on how to use the tools. For example, I have 3 points here. If I draw 3 points, you will see that it will appear here at the algebra view. So if I draw a polygon, for example, triangle ABC, then you will also see the properties of the objectives here. So you have the area of the polygon, 21.68, the coordinates of the points. For example, A is negative 6.14 and 3.13, and of course the coordinates of A and C, and the length of the size of the polygon. Of course, you can, if you don't want to see the Cartesian plane or the axis, you can just hide them. Tools also, GeoGebra turns abstract math concepts into tangible experiences. Fourth on our list is Photomath, a mobile app that scans and solves math problems instantly. Just snap a picture of the problem and Photomath provides a step-by-step solution. It's great for students who are stuck on a problem and need guidance. To access it, click install. It's really a small application, and the download, it really takes a couple of seconds. The app, as you can see, has been successfully downloaded. So let's go ahead and open it. Now you have to enter your age, and what describes you best? I am a student. Now they just give us an overview of how the application works. They ask for permission to my camera, so I'm just gonna allow them. Here is a mathematical problem. Let's see how the application solves. It's okay, so it read the question perfectly and listed the result as false, which shows that the equation from the given question was false. And here you can see it loads up the step as the alternate solution. Indeed, Photomath is great for checking works of finding guidance. I always remind students to use it as a learning tool rather than a shortcut. It can be physically useful when paired with other tools, helping students verify their answers and understand step-by-step solution. Last but not the least, we have FluidMath, a tool that allows user to write equation by hand on tablets or interactive whiteboards, which are then instantly transformed into digital math, expression, and graphs. This tool is ideal for teaching algebra, calculus, and geometry. FluidMath is the first online whiteboard designed specifically for mathematics. It is a smart piece of math paper that recognizes your handwritten or typed mathematics expression. And with these simple gestures, FluidMath creates graphs, tables, solution, animation, and more sliders. Make it easy to interactively explore and see connection between mathematical representation. Animations show connection between abstract mathematical concepts and concrete examples. A powerful computer algebra system enables calculations from simple arithmetic and fraction to algebra metrics, operation, and even calculus. You can also drag and drop PDF files and image files into the FluidMath workspace, and they become the background upon which you can do all of your math features. The world first collaborative whiteboard designed specifically for teaching and learning mathematics. With this patented technology, teachers and the students can synchronously share the same collaborative mathematics workspace. FluidMath also features a patented mathematics answer box technology, teachers can create fluid math documents which test for the correctness of the free-form math answer. This is great for math practice, and if you're tired of entering math notation into your exams or papers with a keyboard-based equation editor, Fluid Math will convert your handwritten math into typeset math that can be pasted directly into Microsoft Word. Truly, Fluid Math is highly engaging as it lets students and teachers interact with math in a natural way. And that's the wrap. These 5 digital tools, PhET, Scikit-12, GeoGebra, PhotoMath, and FluidMath are designed to make math and science learning more interactive and accessible. Whether you're teaching elementary concepts or advanced topics, there's a tool here for every level. Try them out and let me know what worked best for you.